Networks are everywhere. They change the way we live and how we work. All your business applications run over your network. If your network is not running, you have a real problem. But networks are hard to manage, and there are new challenges every day which affect your IT business. New technologies, new devices, new applications. And of course, the cloud. That is what your network has to deal with faultlessly.
We're living in an exciting world, in a world that is connected more than ever before, where you have billions of devices on the one hand and various business offerings on the other hand, crossing boundaries. Your network has to perform well. And if your network doesn't perform well, your business will eventually suffer. So why did we actually build racksnet? So the first thing which we had in our mind was to build a tool that is easy to use for the IT departments. So your daily network operations tasks can be simplified. The other thing was to have open vendors integration. Your team doesn't have to worry about learning each of these individual languages or programming skills or scripting technologies. We actually integrated smart functions like machine learning, like migrating from one vendor to another, and automated network scanning. Our solution reduces the complexity of today's IT infrastructures.
racksnet automates your IT network and ensures that your network always keeps in line with your company's requirements. And it doesn't matter if you're using a Cisco, Hewlett-Packard, or Huawei environment. One tool manages them all. racksnet is network automation. Start your network automation cloud today. racksnet